Recently, we've begun talking about the painter Emile Nolde. He's a German expressionist painter, so that means he wasn't too focused on tiny little details. He was really interested in exploring how he would use color in his paintings. So that's a big element of design you see here. So what I'm going to do is show you how I did this mixed media painting using all kinds of different materials. So you're going to start with a paper that will be the background paper. So here I have this light blue, and this is different than what I used on the other one. So I'm going to hold this back up so you can see it, but I use this dark blue, and well, I'm just going to use this blue-green. So as long as it's a different color that I think will go with this. And I want to have some sort of line that sort of separates the ground and the sky a little bit, that shows a change in that color. So I'm going to take my piece here, and I want more of an organic looking line, so something more from nature. So I'm actually going to tear that. I'm going to start here at the corner, and I'm going to use my fingers, and you notice I'm tearing slow. That is not because I'm trying to imitate my grandma, that is because I'm trying to be careful. So I'm tearing. What I might also do is use my hand to guide how I'm tearing it. So I'm going to put my hand here, and I'm going to go this way, then I'm going to pull and go this way, then I'm going to pull and go this way. So I'm kind of going back and forth a little bit, and I want to tear until I get all the way to the bottom there, right? So I'm tearing, oh well, it's ruined. No, I should get back on the line. It's kind of like when I'm cutting, get back on the line, so that's that edge I'm starting at, and I'm going to keep going from there. So I'm tearing a little bit at a time, using my hand to guide so I don't tear off too much. So now that this is ready, you're going to be gluing it down, and you can decide, do you want to put it on the bottom? Do you want to put it on the top? I sort of like the idea for this one of putting it on the top, I think. So I'm going to turn it over, have a glue bottle nearby that's ready. You might be using a glue stick, if so, that's okay. So I'm going to start on my corners every time, so my dot, dot, not a lot. Then I'm going to go on the sides in between those, doing a dotted line to connect them. And then this is pretty big, so I need some in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead, flip this over, and glue this down. And then we're going to introduce a little bit of color on here in our next video. So you're going to get to this point, guys, and then I will show you the next few steps.